Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Gayuh Prayogo. I am student in English Education Study Program in Universitas PGRI Semarang. Today, I'm going to explain about my final projects that entitled Comparison Cultural Value Analysis of Joker Movie and Marlina si Pembunuh dalam 4 Babak Movie and its contribution in cross-cultural understanding teaching. Thank you. The comparison of cultural values analysis of Joker and Marlina si Pembunuh dalam 4 Babak Movies and its contribution in cross-cultural understanding teaching. Background of research. Culture is created by people itself. So every people in area has different characteristics according to people who live in society. The culture of the society is known as their identity, which is distinguish one another. The religion of people, geographical location, weather, belief, and behavior in many places will make new things such as norms, rules, language, arts, jobs, foods, clothes, and other objects. From these new things, people slowly turn into a habit. Finally, it becomes a culture. The second one, culture becomes identity as well in such area, which is separate each other. The different patterns of verbal and non-verbal communication may create serious errors and lead misinterpretation, misunderstanding, and confusion. From that statement, it can be deduced that culture is kind of problems in the society appropriate with their activity and place, which can impact their habit and behavior to differentiate to the right or the wrong value. The third, movie can be useful for the student to learn culture. It can conclude that movie can be useful for students to learn culture that they never knew from different countries in the movie. Students also easier to talk with native speakers. Statement of the problem. First, what are the cultural values found in Joker and Marlina si Pembunuh dalam 4 Babak Movies? Second, what are the differences cultural values found in Joker and Marlina si Pembunuh dalam 4 Babak Movies? Third, what are the contribution of the cultural value analysis from those movies to the cross-cultural understanding teaching? Objective of the research. First, to find out the cultural values that found in Joker and Marlina si Pembunuh dalam 4 Babak Movies. Second, to discover the differences cultural values in Joker and Marlina si Pembunuh dalam 4 Babak Movies. Third, to find out the contribution of the cultural value analysis from this movie to the cross-cultural understanding teaching. Object of the research. The object of this research was the moral values that explained by the scene of Joker and Marlina si Pembunuh dalam 4 Babak Movies. The researchers analyzed the cultural values from the scenes of both movies, which the result will give understanding about the source of cultural values of cross-cultural understanding teaching. Methods of data collections. Data sources are really important in qualitative research. According to Mason, Confeld 2003, we can identify potential data source through first one is downloading Joker and Marlina si Pembunuh dalam 4 Babak Movie. Second is rencana perkuliahan semester or RPS CCU 2019. Therefore, the data source of this research based on Mason terms above is belong to people as individuals, group, or the data source is the scenes of the movie. the data was taken from Joker movie and Malina si pembunuh dalam babak movie in the scenes of both movies. Technique of data observing both movies, identifying the scenes that indicate cultural values, classifying the data for each scenes using Chertov's six-dimension of cultural values theory, interpreting the data of cultural values in the movies based on the selected scenes in the movies, elaborating the contribution of cultural values from both movies to CCU teaching based on theoretical review and personal judgment. After analyzing the genuine data, a total conclusion will be clarified clearly and efficient that have purpose to wrap up the conclusion of the research. Research finding. In this table, we can see the 6 cultural dimensions of theory by Geert Hofstede. The first one is power distance. The Joker have 5 American cultural value. Marina have 2 American cultural value. In Indonesian cultural value, Joker has 7 cultural values and Marina has 5 cultural values. And the second one is your uncertainty avoidance. Third one is individualism versus collectivism. The fourth is masculinity versus femininity. The fifth, long-term versus short-term orientation. Sixth is indulgence versus restraint. And the total is American cultural values of Joker movie is 18. American cultural values of Marina movies is 10. Indonesian cultural values of Joker is 16. Indonesian cultural values of Marlina is 19. Research discussion. The similarity of this research from previous research. The first one is using Geert Hofstede's 2010 dimension of cultural theory. The second one is using movie as media for cross-cultural understanding teaching. The third, a comparison between 2 different movies. Research discussion. Different of this research from previous research. The first one is the object of the research. Absolutely Joker and Malina si pembunuh dalam 4 babak movies. The second one is analyze and compare 2 movies but only focus on cultural values. The third one is only focus on American and Indonesian cultural values. Research discussion. This is Geert Hofstede's theories of 6 of cultural dimensions. In this table, we can see Hofstede's insights country comparisons from Indonesian between Indonesians and United States of America. We can see the power distance is higher in Indonesia than United States. And individualisms, Indonesia is lower than United States. In masculinity, the United States is higher than Indonesia. Uncertainty avoidance is a little bit higher the United States than Indonesia. In long-term orientation, Indonesia has 62 points and then the United States has 26 points. In indulgence, United States is higher than Indonesia. Cultural values and the contribution of those 2 movies to the cross-cultural understanding teaching. First, as a source for cross-cultural understanding teaching method. Value in the class, there are several methods lecturer can do. In teaching CCU, the lecturer mostly asks for students to make a group or pair in presentations. The way of teaching that I have mentioned before, it makes students cannot understand the material. Therefore, it is still a new knowledge for them. Furthermore, if the teacher only explains the material based on the book or journal, the student cannot absorb the material maximum because they cannot get the real example of it. They just read the text without knowing the direct example of cultural value in its country. By analyzing the movies, the student can get real example in learning cultural value. The advantages can be encouraging students to enjoy the teaching process, understanding the material, discover a new culture, and improve their knowledge about cultural value. When we use Joker and Malina si Pembunuh dalam 4 movies as the media in it, the results of students' comprehension will be different. It can be used for a media for teaching of differences cultural value in CCU, and students will get better understanding. If it compared with group presentation method, students only get a brief explanation from their classmates' presentation. The second is as a reading source of cultural value analysis. This research is hopefully to be a reading source of cultural value analysis. In this research, is clearly explained what is culture, what is cultural value, what kinds of cultural value in America and Indonesia, and the differences between America and Indonesian cultural values. From this case, Joker and Malina, si pembunuh dalam 4 movie, are affecting the American and Indonesian cultural values theory used by reading this research. The readers will achieve a lot of knowledge and understanding about cultural value in different countries. Conclusions. The type of cultural value theory used, there was on cultural values that by Chertovstedt's dimension of cultural theory. To be more specific, there are 18 American cultural values for Joker and 10 for Malina si pembunuh dalam 4 movies. The results of Indonesian cultural values are 16 for Joker and 19 for Malina si pembunuh dalam 4 movies. The differences cultural values in Joker and Malina si pembunuh dalam 4 movies only focus on the hostage inside country comparison variables that consist of 6 cultural dimensions. The last one is the advantages of contribution of the cultural value analysis from those movies in this research to cross-cultural understanding are as a reference for cross-cultural understanding teaching method and as a reading source of cultural value analysis. Thank you.